Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we will learn how to edit the location for a geographical data field that we load from a dataset in Tableau Public Desktop Edition. Dataset that we'll be using today is going to be the US Educational Finances dataset by state. So I'm going to first drag and drop this dataset into my Tableau Public Desktop session. Now that the dataset has loaded, I'm going to go to my worksheet here, highlighting orange, called Sheet 1. And now I'm going to drag and drop the state field here on the left-hand side to my columns field. Now from here, I'm going to go to the top panel where there's a tab called Map. I'm going to click on Map and I'm going to select the option here, Edit Locations. Now that we have clicked on Edit Locations, what it will show us is a pop-up with the current country and region selected and also the state and province. And so right now it's selected the country and region as Tuvalu. And so we can see here, based on the data set, because it's a United States data set, or it's a data set where the data captured is based in the US, the United States, all of these states cannot currently be matched. So you have them all as unrecognized. And that's going to cause an issue when we plot as a map where no data will be shown. So to correct this, we can click on the drop-down and click on Fixed, and then we'll change this to United States. And now we can see it's matching the location based on the data we have provided. We can go ahead and click OK. And so now we can drag on other measures like other expenditure into our rows. And then we can go to Show Me and start to create maps using our data so they actually displays correctly based on the geographical attributes or locations that we have captured in our data set. So there you have it. This is how we can edit locations for a dataset in Tableau Public Desktop Edition.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.